What's up and good morning, guys? Welcome back to another video. You're probably saying, Rhino, I have not seen that work for it shirt on the website. We've got another new design here, our blue collar born and bred skull and crossbones. Nice work for it on the front there. And I'm wearing our earned, never given American flag shield shirt. And on top of the new designs, we've got all of our old designs, our long sleeve work shirts, all of our sweatshirts, all of which are right there, about to be restocked on the website. Make sure you guys go check it out. Workforapparel.com, I'll put the link right there. So today we have to take Eddie's snap-on scanner back to his shop. So we're gonna go up there. I don't know if it's gonna be up there, but maybe we'll see if we can see, you know, Efren, his employee up there, who's always a good time and always entertaining on camera. We've got some sound deadening foam that should be showing up from Amazon for the warehouse, and that'll essentially kind of complete the podcast studio in terms of like quality. And then obviously we still need to spice it up a little bit, but we did some cool things over there that we will take you over and show you at some point later. Right now though, well, first we're gonna go take Eddie's snap-on scanner. But I got a good buddy's wedding coming up. And you know, the one issue with going to the gym is I've been outgrowing my suits every year. So every time there's a wedding I gotta go to, I essentially have to go buy a new suit or get a new suit made. And it's it becomes really expensive. But you know, at the same time, it means you're growing and it means you're progressing. So there's nothing wrong with that. My suit guy, Francois, he every time I go there, he's like, you need to stop going to the gym, you're getting too big. And I think that's like a compliment. So it's always good to see that. So look at that guy. I would like to apply to be a mechanic for a day. I've got my scanner.
Okay, what kind of tools? What else?
This is all I need. I can clear
okay.
tire pressure monitor sensors all day long. I got that down packed now, buddy.
Okay. That's good then.
You gonna hire me?
That's fine. You're good. You're good to go.
I mean, you look like the boss. You're way too clean to be working. I know that.
Well, yeah. You know, I got Efren and Mario over here now.
Efren! Check it out. I brought my own scanner.
Oh shit. You got tools.
I got tools.
You got tools. He wants to know. Yeah, he wants to know.
That's all I need, right?
Yeah. I said, what kind of tools you got? He said, I got a scanner.
Hey, I just clear codes all day long. 150 bucks, 250 bucks a code. I clear them all day long. I make money for everybody.
Yeah, he charges 250. I said, wow, we only charge 25. We're too cheap.
Yeah, you guys. It's all right. I'm gonna make money for all of us. Okay, Efren? Hey, me and you, we'll split it.
Yeah.
50-50,
sure.
okay?
Oh, yeah.
All right, Efren, what do you need me to do? You're my new boss. I work for you.
Start working and that's
We're doing some.
Yeah. We need to hurry up before we lose power.
Oh,
we're shutting the power off. So. Yeah.
All right. Well, hey, Efren doesn't use power tools.
Well, he needs to use that brake leg to turn those rotors.
Oh shit, we gotta go. Come on, Efren. Yeah. Come on. What do you need? Come on, Efren. Oh shoot. All right. This is that's how you spread the pistons.
This is a special tool
for spreading the pistons.
Yeah.
See?
Oh,
Efren.
Everything here is special.
Everything special?
Everything here is special. Special tools for everything.
Where we get Harbor Freight?
Come on, man. This is
Yeah,
pretty much.
I'm just saying, I've never seen the orange handle. I don't know.
This is Pet Boys, O'Reilly's.
Oh, O'Reilly's special.
O'Reilly.
Oh.
Okay. You look good at Harbor Freight, man. Like, no. That's cheapest stuff right there. Oh.
This is good stuff.
Yeah,
it's like Gucci.
Quality right here. Yeah, Gucci.
Gucci stuff right here.
Woo! Well, I got some Harbor Freight. Yeah, it's like a Carbon Clean and Gucci. You know what I'm saying? Carbon Clean.
Carbon
Clean. Carbon fiber. Yeah, carbon fiber. Yes, you're right.
I thought like carpet clean.
Carpet Clean. What are you saying? Carbon Clean.
Carbon.
Oh, Calvin Klein.
Yeah, Calvin Klein.
Calvin Klein.
How did you get Calvin Klein out of that?
That's what you're talking about, Calvin Klein?
Calvin Klein.
I thought you said carbon fiber.
Yeah, carbon fiber.
Efren, we're gonna have to learn each other's language here a little bit more.
Eventually, yeah, when you work with
if we're gonna work together. I'm gonna go. My suit guy. I'm gonna tell him I want the carpet Klein.
Carbon Klein.
I want the Carbon Klein suit.
So I saw a comment.
Uh-oh.
And people are saying, oh, the Ford's better. The Ford's better. They said that your Ford will out-tow our trucks with my toy hauler. No,
we don't need a drop hitch. We need a rise hitch.
Spare hitch. Yeah, I got a spare hitch. We'll put on there, and it's your truck. So it's up to you if you want to do it.
Well, I'm gonna speak from experience of owning this truck.
Oh, that's what I'm saying. See, I don't.
I've hooked up trailers to this truck. A couple of dump trailers we've used for work from time to time. And I swear there's something in the computer that knows the second you hook up a trailer to it, it's like 55. It will not let you go faster than 55. Whether that dump trailer was empty or that dump trailer was full, we were stuck at 55. So
regardless of the weight?
Regardless of the weight. So I'll do it, but
it's up to you.
I don't know how good this thing's gonna tell. Okay, Efren, while everybody takes lunch, me and you, we work, right?
Yeah, right.
I always gotta work. All right, what do you need me to do? You need me to spray this? No, we already sprayed it.
Yeah, I already did.
Oh, we already did it, okay.
Yeah, that's a cleaner.
Cleaner now.
Parts cleaner, yeah.
Now we're putting it back together.
Yeah, but we need to clean this too right here.
Oh, well, let me spray it. Right there.
Normally they come in with the new ones,
Right.
but in this case, you don't need to replace them.
Nah.
So you just clean up all the dust.
All right, Efren, come on. Let's
finish
finish this. We gotta go. You're my boss, so I'm learning from you today. Okay.
All right, sounds good.
We clean it real good. All right.
This one was clean already.
Yep. Oh, we already put it on the lathe.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that, brand new.
There's like a.
Beautiful, Efren. Beautiful. Look at that. We'll wipe it down, clean. I like it. All right. Good work, Efren. Good work.
Yep.
Is that 35 pounds of torque?
Oh man.
Exact, right?
Yeah, that's right.
Looking good, Efren. Looking good. Look at that. Nice and clean. I think we make a good team. When's payday?
Today.
Oh, today? What?
What's today's date?
Payday.
What's today's date?
Today's what is it? Wednesday? Tuesday? Wednesday? Payday.
Today's payday.
Efren, I can't work like this. He doesn't want to pay us.
No man.
Look at it. I can't even stand under here. The ceiling's too low.
I would like to talk about this truck right here, the white truck.
Yeah, the Ford.
The Ford F350. Yeah. I think they have. You know the truck now worth nothing, right?
What truck?
The white truck right there. Can you show him the white truck right there?
My truck. He's talking about my truck, Eddie.
What are you talking about?
That truck have a expensive stereo, big screen, and the truck not worth nothing.
Hold on.
Hold on, Efren. Hold on, Efren. Efren,
Talk to me.
my friend, I thought we were friends, but now you're going to say my truck is worth nothing?
No.
That truck is worth a lot of money, Efren. Number one. Number two, that stereo? It was
I don't know what you sorry.
The stereo?
That truck was good money.
good money, right?
Yeah.
Hold on. The stereo is only worth $300. That's it. Amazon. Cheap.
Okay.
I was a cheap stereo I put in that thing. I'm not going to put big fancy stereo in there.
I thought the stereo was worth more than the truck.
Efren, do you want me to come work with you for one day? I'd be a mechanic for a day?
Oh, imagine that. We should do that.
What do you think?
We should do that.
You think I should become a mechanic for a day?
Yeah, next day I will help you.
Yeah. Whoa, hold on.
And then
Manager for a day. Hold on, let me rephrase that.
we're gonna do 2 challenges, okay? So yeah, he's gonna be your mechanic for the day, and then he'll do another challenge where he only speaks Spanish to you all day.
Compas, no problema, come on. ¿Qué quieres? ¿Qué necesitas?
See?
Nalgas,
no.
cerveza.
No.
The Spanish 24-hour Spanish challenge.
Nuevas llantes. ¿Dónde estás? ¿Te llevas? ¿Llaves? Keys? ¿Llaves?
He's
I understand plenty of Spanish.
Explain to him.
I speak a little bit less than I understand.
Okay, well let's see. Tell him the Toyota, what you're doing to it, how to fix it, and what you want him to do to fix it.
Eddie, es no problema por mí. Yo hablo mucho español.
We'll see, gringo.
Yo y Efren es no problema.
Primero,
Okay.
le vas a hacer spray el brake cleaner.
I got it.
Remember.
First, we got to spray the brake cleaner.
No. Show him what you're doing. Tell him what you're doing, and tell him what you
We
want
got
him to
it. We
do.
got it. Hey, my boss.
Okay.
Don't interrupt my boss.
Stay away from here.
Okay, no problem.
Okay. All right, Efren, what are we doing?
Le vas a poner spray
Yep.
del brake cleaner.
Ajá.
Con el cepillo lo vas a limpiar.
Uh-huh.
Y ya está listo.
That's it. All right, we got to spray the brake cleaner, then with the brush, we got to clean it. That's it.
That's it.
Eddie, you think I don't speak Spanish,
What do
bro?
you want? Okay, what do you want him to do? Give him something for him to do.
He just told me. First, spray.
No. You're supposed to explain to him what you're doing, which he already knows.
Eddie, you're not gonna win. I know Spanish, bro.
There you go. Go ahead.
Hold on, we just won the challenge. Now you're gonna try it.
No.
Don't set me up.
Hey,
Don't set me up for failure.
No, I'm not saying for failure.
Don't set me up for failure.
We're gonna make it fair. He said all in Spanish. All right, guys. So we're gonna make sure he's gonna be fair.
Okay.
And you guys remember Mario?
Efren's over there throwing in some English words. Okay.
Exactly.
It's not his fault. Efren doesn't only know so much Spanish. I think me and Efren know the same amount of Spanish.
So okay.
Uh-oh.
So he's talking about how he knows the Spanish, guys. So we're gonna So we're gonna go.
Let him know.
There we go. The PT piece of crap. Quiero que le quites la cabeza. Ya que le quites la cabeza, quiero que la mandes allá con los maquinistas. What'd I say?
Okay, we gotta remove the heads. I got that far. And then you lost me on the other half. But it's close, right?
Well, you got the head part. You got to meet a quarter of the way there.
Okay,
You gotta make sure if you're backing
Say it
it
again.
up-
Say it again. Say it again. All right.
Quiero que le quites la cabeza.
Okay.
Y
Okay.
luego quiero que llames y la mandes al maquinista.
Oh, he hit you with a good one there. He explained it wrong.
Oh, Everett says you did it wrong.
Oh,
Everett says you did it wrong.
Okay.
Wait.
Now we go-
So
now we
you
go-
explain it.
hey,
You
now-
explain it.
now
You're not supposed to say send it to the maquinista. You're supposed
Llama
to say
al maquinista.
llama al machine shop.
No, güey. No en machine shop, güey. Mira.
We gotta
No,
take the head to
no,
the machine shop. I got it. I like Efren's Spanish.
What are you talking about?
I like it.
Hey, we know who Efren's favorite is right here. We know who Efren's favorite is.
Hey,
He's wrong.
Efren are bros. Come on, Efren. We
Yeah,
got
El
this.
Maquinista is wrong.
He turned mechanic to or machine to machine. I'm better than you. You machinista. What the machinista?
We'll just do the same
not
day.
24 hours.
No,
Yeah.
we're gonna do same day. Mechanic.
Then you're not gonna get
Spanish.
nothing done.
Or I just feel bad for the guy driving the car. That would tell me to change the tires or remove the engine. I don't know. All right, Efren, I gotta go. I will see you bright and early, 12 o'clock Friday. Eddie,
Are you sure you want him to come?
Eddie, hold on. Do I need to like fill out paperwork to get my paycheck or what?
Yeah. What do you want to do?
Oh, Efren's paying me. Efren's got
are you
me.
paying?
Hey, Efren. No. We work. We work, Eddie. We're not into that.
I don't know what
Yeah.
what does that mean?
We don't know what that means.
Okay.
Hey, we'll figure it out, Efren.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll figure it out.
Okay. All right. You get to deal with that.
Hey,
I have it, you WD-40.
WD-40?
Yeah, over here, you can fill it out.
Fill out the WD-40.
fill out a WD-40 form?
Yeah.
So remember that one time we cleaned out the 073 and it was actually looking pretty good? Well, we've managed to kind of fill it back up with a bunch of stuff for the warehouse. Now, believe it or not, our sound foam showed up. There's 48 square feet or 48 1 foot by 1 foot pieces of 2-inch foam in this box. Yeah, this should be interesting. So not much has changed downstairs in the warehouse. In fact, really nothing. But upstairs in the podcast room, as you guys will see in a second, we get up here. So Dave and I went ahead and made some faux wood beams. I mean, they're real-ish wood, but they're not real beams, to kind of frame out the wall and then give us a better frame, I don't know, to whatever we're gonna end up doing in the middle of the backdrop wall for the podcast studio. So as you can see, you know, add some nice depth. Went ahead and just bought some cheap hardware, spray painted it black, and it just, I think, gives it a nice look. And what we actually made it out of was Home Depot sells this like fake-ish rough sawn shiplap, and so we just ran it through the table saw, got rid of that little lip on it, and then just basically made them into fake-looking beams. But as you can hear in this room, we'll do a little test here. Oh! There's quite a bit of echo, and you can actually hear it when we're talking into the microphones for the podcast studio. So in an effort to alleviate a lot of that echo, we've got some sound deadening foam here, which is very tightly compressed into a brick. And let's see, it says 24 to 48 hours for it to inflate back to its normal size. We don't have that kind of time, so how about we give it like 3 minutes? Let's see how much this expands when we first cut it open. And you would imagine what is this, 24 pieces I think in here, times 2 inches, so it should be 4 feet tall when it's fully expanded. Go! Why is this one not moving? Hold on. Oh, there we go. There we go. And go! Maybe we should peel the bag off this one. This is very uneventful. So if you guys don't know, this foam is really expensive if you buy the real stuff. This is just some cheap stuff off Amazon. So I'm hoping it does the trick. As you can see, we've got quite a bit of it because, well, we've got a decent sized room here to cover all the walls. So I'm gonna let it expand here for a second. And obviously it's probably not gonna be fully expanded by the time we install it on the wall, but it should sit there, and I don't think it's gonna affect it if we install it before it's fully expanded. So I'm not exactly sure the best way to do it without ruining the walls. So, you know, we've got some, well, first of all, we got some hot glue, we've got some Velcro, and then we've got some double-sided tape. So hopefully between the 3 of these, we're gonna be able to attach this stuff and it'll stay. I also wanna put some on the ceiling above the actual podcast area where we're sitting. All right, well, we've gotten about as far as I can get with the time I have right now. Things I've learned: double-sided tape so far is holding really well. I've actually only put 2 strips on each piece that you see hanging there. Obviously 4 strips on the ceiling pieces that are up there. But we'll see what happens in the morning if they're not all on the ground. I also got a boo-boo. And yeah, don't cut yourself. That's not a good idea. But we still got a few more pieces to put up over there. I'm not sure exactly where they're gonna go. I want to do something decorative on the back wall, so I don't want to put any back there, but I feel like we might need some because there's still a little bit of reverb and echo in the room. It might just end up being where we just hang a really thick drape and separate this room in half to not have to deal with that. Or we just need like a really nice black couch somewhere in this room, you know, to help absorb some of the sounds. You know, I'm thinking like, you know, maybe against that wall, something nice, or maybe even that wall. I think once we fill this room with furniture, we're really not gonna have that issue anymore. So this is just kind of like our temporary until we can get some furniture in here. But as always, guys, thank you so much for watching my channel. If you have not subscribed already, please click the subscribe button now that way you do not miss out on any future content. Don't forget to give this video a like, aka a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out workforapparel.com, especially all of our new designs, all of our old designs that are restocked. You guys are the best. I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.
Damn. Yeah. Yeah.